Let's introduce MahitX. The 3D printing startup, MahitX Technologies Private Limited, aims to enrich the culture of innovation and 3D printing in our education. Jayesh Mahitkar, founder and director of MahitX Technologies Private Limited, trained more than 3,000 students and 400 teachers on innovation and 3D printing. And almost 30,000 people witnessed the next generation technology, 3D printed educational learning models. We conceptualized and executed world's biggest 3D printing knowledge sharing carnival using 3D printed educational learning models in schools and set a new world record on it. These 3D printed educational learning models add benefits of touch, feel, engage and learn the textbook concepts practically in 3D, and inspire students to think more for best understanding in fast and easy way. These 3D printed educational learning models cover the fields of science, technology, engineering, mathematics, medical, space technology, history, architecture, automobile and humanity. The students who participated developed skills of scientific outlook, curiosity, innovativeness, ideation, directional thinking, leadership, teamwork, imagination and critical thinking, analytical social skill and comparative study. This is what feel the future of education. MahitX is also associated with various research activities and providing 3D printing services and product development support for mechanical, medical, architecture, aerospace, etc. In this epidemic time, MahitX is helping Corona warriors to fight against COVID-19 using this disruptive technology. Thank you very much to our Xploration Lab and support by Design Innovation Center.